Welcome. In front of me is a LG G8s, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, all you really need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to use settings as an example, and simply have it visible on your screen. Once it is, you want to press and hold power key and volume down. Both of them at the same time, so power and volume down. And there we go, there is your screenshot. And you do have a couple different toggles right here, so you have share, edit, and delete as an option. And if you don't do anything with it, it just, as you've seen, fades away. And that screenshot can also be found in your photo gallery. So if we open up gallery, you will see a new folder, screenshots, and in here you will find all the screenshots that I have captured on the device. And as you can see, there is the settings screenshot. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.